Okay, folks, day 2. Looks like we got some end gables here all finished. Painted up. The finished color. Beautiful looking gray picked out by Ann Weeza. There's a few more boards. There's our gable end. Then we come over into our painting gallery. They have some white doors, or beige. Rest of the doors. And some trim pieces. Some more trim pieces. Looking good. Nice colors. All laid out, ready to put together. Oh wait, I hear some pounding in the back room. In the back area. Look, oh, we have a carpenter friend. We have Sven pounding nails. Hi, Sven.
Hey,
Sven. Building more walls. There's our end wall for the doors. There's our side wall. This looks like a construction site. Not like a dog kennel. Stuff everywhere. It's only 90 degrees in the shade. 85% humidity. Just a lovely day.
It's a little toasty out here. Another day in Florida. I drink a lot of water. I'm losing it by the second.
We're gonna have to jump in the pool later. I'm even getting tired of watching. This is too much work even watching. I'm gonna have to go inside where it's air conditioned. Okay, folks, we're gonna put you on pause a minute here and we'll resume a little later. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Oh, by the way, don't talk to strangers.